So hello guys, I'm Lona and welcome back to my YouTube channel guys. So today I'll be showing you how I prepare my moringa powder at home. So guys, I'll be sharing with you benefits of moringa, uses and remedies for its medicinal and nutritional value guys. Yeah, it is also rich in vitamins, minerals and also antioxidants. Guys, for me I'll be using dried moringa leaves. For the green leaves, you really need to dry them in a shade and not direct sunlight, because if you dry them in the direct sunlight, it is going to lose nutrients and it won't be good for you. So guys, let's get started. Yeah, so guys, this is my moringa leaves. As you can see, they are dry. I'm just going to crush them. As you can see, it's well dried, so make sure you dry them, you dry shade them to avoid losing the nutrients. Yeah guys, so guys, I'm going to transfer my moringa leaves into this mortar and I'm going to crush them. Guys, for my case, I'm using this because I don't have a blender. Guys, you can also use a blender to blend these leaves. So guys, let's get started. Let's start crushing. Guys, this is my moringa powder and there are so many uses of moringa. So it can be used as a nutritional supplement. It can also be used in traditional medicine and also in cooking dishes like soups, stews, salads and tea. So we are going to sieve our moringa powder and let's see how it comes out. Let's start sieving our moringa powder, and the reason of sieving our moringa powder is to remove the large particles. Yeah. So guys, this is my moringa powder, and for these remaining small particles, we are still going to crush them. We are not going to throw them away. So yeah, as you can see, it's powder form. You don't really need to buy moringa from the market. You can make it yourself. Yeah guys, let's finish up with these other small particles, and yeah, so we are also going to work on these two. As I said earlier, we are not going to throw it away. Yeah, and see how much powder we can get. So guys, this is how it is. So let's sieve. So yeah, so guys, I am done, and this is my moringa powder. So guys, at least I've transferred to somewhere you can see it clearly. So guys, this is my moringa powder, and it has so many benefits. It helps in digestive health, it boosts immunity, and controlling blood sugar levels in our bodies. So guys, you should try this out. So as you can see, we are done. Now we are going to store our moringa in a tin and place and store it in a cool, dry place. Yeah guys, I think that's all for today. Yeah, so guys, let's transfer it in a container. Yeah, so next time guys, you don't really need to buy your moringa guys. Yeah, you can prepare it at home guys. So yeah, so let's close our container. Yeah guys, it's all done. We already have our moringa inside here. Yeah, as you can see guys. Yeah, thank you all for watching my video. For my new viewers and subscribers, please consider subscribing and hitting the notification bell so you never miss any of my videos. So that's all for today guys. See you on my next video.